So what's going on is I've been noticing a musty smell in the truck. This has happened to me before, and I thought, gee, maybe I had the window cracked or something. But I told my dad about it, and apparently he read somewhere there's a common complaint in these trucks where around this dome light, it lets water come in. There, you see the little dark spot right there? It's been wet recently. Number two, I recently cleaned that, and there's some weird rusty drips coming out of there. So this is apparently where all the water comes in. That was so loose. That might be the problem right there. Let's see. All right, that side's not very loose. But this side is just like barely sitting there. If it's not letting go, that probably means there's already some sort of gasket material or something. Oh, Rhett wants to come watch. Yeah, you can see right there, right here where it's dirty. That means that water is getting through. Here, it's nice and shiny and clean. That means it was still holding up. But right there is where the seal failed. After taking the lamp out, scrape off the old gasket. I used a box cutter or utility knife for the big chunks, and that worked pretty well. By the end of it, I was using my flathead screwdriver to get the last bits of glue off the plastic. I wonder if I should have done that from the start. I don't know. Maybe you can let me know if that works better for you. I used my grip mat for a nice soft surface and to have a place to keep up with my screws, but... Am I a bonehead? Where were those screws? At least I heard them go tink tink. Yeah, put those back there. I used some Goo Gone to make sure that all of the residual dirt and oil was gone. The important part about gluing something down is to have a clean surface. Sticking on the new gasket is pretty easy. I used two pieces. The longer piece went on the top of the lamp and wrapped around the two sides. I cut that piece a little long and started sticking it down in the middle and worked towards the edges. That way I could just trim off any extra. The gasket won't fold around the sharper angle, so I cut another piece. To cut a bevel in the shorter piece, I cut the first side with about a 45-degree bevel. Then I cut the whole length of the short piece from outside edge to outside edge of the long piece. I marked the inside edge of the second bevel with my thumb and then cut the bevel between my thumb and the edge. Last but not least, you stick the piece down and trim up any sort of edges that are hanging over each other. Like and subscribe for part 2 where I take out the seats and clean up the carpet. That should come out next week. The real last step is to clean the mating surface on the truck for a good seal and reinstall the lamp. Plug in the electrical connector, then put the 2 screws in, test the lights, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.